you have your input as well, because you're not distributor, you're not the manufacturer, right? You're not the manufacturing rep, you're not the engineer. You're actually, on the side helping and engaging everything else. So how can manufacturers and distributors and the engineers, when you look at it, how can they get a much better working relationship together? Because sometimes it's just not there.
The manufacturer and distributor, that obviously is evolving, and the balance of power is always going to be changing, and their needs and engagement are going to be changing. I think I could easily say 10 years ago, manufacturers were not posting price delivery information on the internet. That just didn't exist. A few distributors may have had that 10 to 20 years ago. Now it's very, very commonplace for a distributor to have that, but it's not uncommon for a manufacturer to be posting their price and inventory situation on their internet or aggregator sites, which is what SupplyFrame has a few of, in addition to their distributor partners. So they're now coexisting on that, almost maybe using the word frenemy, because they're competing for the eyeballs, they're competing for the sale. The end customer, the end user, is going to be making a decision on which path they go to. And that's what I'm talking about with regards to balance of power. That didn't exist before, where distributors were exclusively, especially as it relates to the internet, exclusively the solution for the fulfillment, whereas now they need to coexist. So that relationship, to your point, is changing quite drastically, and I think there's going to be a lot more of that in the future.
Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Special Edition about modern marketing for manufacturing companies and manufacturing reps. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcasts. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sannah Vinding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannahvinding.com, or check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning.